I'm going to talk to you real quick about these other things. So the harness here, this harness is for the search and rescue guys at the moment. I told you I like to track on the collars because I like their neck to pull down. They want their dogs on harnesses. Harnesses make it easy for the dog to pull, no chance of them choking. But what it also does is it tells the dog that we're going to go do some tracking. So we only put this on when we're going to do tracking. So this particular harness goes on over the head, and then the body cinches second. And if I put this on Griz and we walk outside, she'll start looking for her track that she's looking for, because that's the only thing that we use this for. You could use it in place of the agitation collar. Anytime you wanted to use the agitation collar, wherever I set that at, right here, that works, okay? Almost done, love.